What's up, internet? We are back home at the happiest place on earth, Disneyland Park here in Anaheim. It's been a long year. As you saw in our last video, we were over at California Adventure for Avengers Campus. Now we are back here after almost a year and a half. I'm getting a little emotional because I just have always said throughout the pandemic, like, the one place I absolutely miss is Disneyland, and we are back. To be back here on Main Street at Disneyland in California with Sleeping Beauty's castle right behind us, I gotta say, is so exciting. I've missed this so much, and to finally be back, it's gonna be a great day. So also celebrating graduation, class of 2021, I graduated from college, couldn't be more excited. Joining us on our magical day here at Disneyland, we got Maddie, Chelsea, and Cheska.
Feels good, it feels different now that we're wearing masks, because we didn't wear masks last time.
Oh yeah, it was before COVID.
It's about to be a Vax Girl summer here at the happiest place on earth. First ride of the day here at Disneyland, we are currently in line for Snow White's Enchanted Wish. This ride just underwent a massive refurbishment from Snow White's Scary Adventure. And this is one of the few rides I've actually never gone on, so this will be our very first time going on it. And this Enchanted Wish begins. This is still scary! Death! There she goes! But that was still a little scary. That wish was very enchanted, and it was very Seven Dwarfs Mine Train-esque over at the Magic Kingdom. I loved it. Never been on the old one, so I can't compare it. But you know what? Overall, great ride. Check it out. All right, we're here in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge now, and I think the best thing since the park has reopened is we got our boarding group for Rise, but we didn't need to be in the park. I remember how stressful it used to be when we were here in January, and we physically had to be in the park, but we had a casual morning, 7 a.m., got it in our hotel room. It was great, it was great.
Everyone off this ship. It is now property of the First Order. Head right for processing immediately. All the way down.
Oh my god, I love this part. And again, in the Star Wars universe, plexiglass is very much present. Okay, so we're almost to our halfway point of the day. How are we feeling so far?
I'm hungry.
Tired, hungry.
I'm trying to eat.
And we still have 10 hours left. You gotta get your money's worth. Rope drop to close. Right now we are heading over to Indiana Jones. One of the interesting things is now Indiana Jones has a virtual queue. How is that different from a fast pass? I don't know. Virtual queue, like fast pass is a virtual queue, but now we have virtual queues. But anyways, we joined it, our time has come. The park right now, I believe, can operate at 35% capacity, and even though it is reduced capacity, people are very spread out. So far, the longest line that we waited in has been about like 30 minutes. Are we in line for Indiana Jones, or are we in line for the Jungle Cruise? The world will never know. Disney thinks they're slick by putting up these go-away green tarps as if the Jungle Cruise isn't here. So funny story, right after we got lunch, I ran into a couple of my favorite Disney creators. Ran into Patrick Dougal and Francis Dominic. Here's my photo with them. It's so weird because I ran into Patrick at a West Coast Racers media event at Six Flags last year. It was super cool running into them. I'm a big fan of their content, and they have inspired me in terms of my own content as well. Oh my god, I know that guy. That's Dylan. Okay, as I was recording that clip, I saw another creator here, Theme Park Obsession, Dylan. Like everyone's out here at the park. I think this is like a tradition that we have. Every time we come here to Disneyland, we go on Splash Mountain.
Every time, every
We
year.
freak out. We get drenched, moist.
I'm looking forward to it because it's fun.
Ah!
We're in the
Ah! Stop! No! We haven't gone to the drop yet! First drop on Splash Mountain. Here we go. Oh no! No! The water went. No! Ah! It went over the log! Oh boy. No! Okay, that wasn't too bad. It could have been a whole lot worse. It's really not a zippity-doo-dah day. We just got in line for a Peter Pan to fly over Fantasyland, and because of like all the California regulations, not being able to wait inside, and also being 6 feet apart, we are waiting pretty much in front of the castle. I'm kind of feeling this waiting area more so than the Peter Pan area. Look at that, we got the castle, we got the water, and the lighting's just about perfect. We're gonna get a few photos in here. Alright, that will do it for our return to Disneyland vlog today. What a fun day it's been. Now the park is empty, and the last thing I want to do is jinx it like I did last time. Last time I was in a Disneyland vlog, I said I wish the park was always this empty, and it was always that empty for a full year. But I mean, to be back in Disneyland was such a magical experience. What a better way to celebrate graduation.
Yes.
Yeah, now Disney just needs to bring back the annual passes. So magical walking down Main Street an hour after park closed. I could not be more excited for this summer because we have way more travel adventures ahead. If you haven't already checked it out, be sure to take a peek over at my Avengers Campus video from California Adventure. You got to check out opening day, ride the new Web Slingers ride.
We did get our money's worth because my feet hurt, so we did spend all day walking and running around.
When your feet's in pain, that's how you know you got your money's worth. All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below, and I will see you next time on the internet.
Welcome to our birthday party. For your safety, please be sure to stay seated with your
Oh, it's gonna be a tight
hands,
squeeze.
feet, and
Oh my God!